Welcome to our journey across the extremes of our planet. Today, we're diving into Earth's most chilling and crazy spots. Stay with us as we explore the three coldest and hottest places in the world.
Number 1 is Vostok Weather Station. Vostok Station, located in Antarctica, is the coldest place on Earth. Operated by Russia, it sits near the south pole of inaccessibility, making it one of the most remote and inhospitable places on the planet. On July 21, 1983, it recorded the lowest temperature ever on Earth at -89.2 degrees Celsius. The station experiences long polar nights and harsh winds, with average winter temperatures ranging from -65 degrees Celsius to -73 degrees Celsius. Despite its extreme conditions, Vostok Station plays a crucial role in climate research and atmospheric studies. It's also known for drilling ice cores, revealing climate history dating back hundreds of thousands of years. Second is Oymyakon. It's a remote village in Siberia, Russia, holds the title of the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth. Nestled in the Sakha Republic, it experiences harsh winters with temperatures plunging as low as -71.2 degrees Celsius, recorded in 1924. Despite its extreme conditions, around 500 residents call this village home, adapting to the freezing climate with traditional practices, like consuming a diet rich in meat and fish to sustain energy. Winters here are long, dark, and brutal, lasting up to 9 months, with daily tasks like starting vehicles, requiring special techniques. Oymyakon's resilience is a testament to human adaptability in the face of nature's extremes. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, is the tallest mountain in North America, standing at an awe-inspiring 20,310 feet, 6,190 meters, above sea level. Located in Alaska within Denali National Park, it is renowned not only for its height but also for its harsh and unpredictable weather. The mountain experiences extreme cold, with summit temperatures dropping to -100 degrees Fahrenheit, -73 degrees Celsius, or lower during winter, combined with fierce winds exceeding 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour. These conditions make it one of the most challenging peaks for climbers. Denali is also a symbol of natural beauty, surrounded by glaciers, rugged terrain, and abundant wildlife, making it a breathtaking yet formidable destination for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Number 1 is Al-Azizia. Al-Azizia, a town in northwestern Libya, was once considered one of the hottest places on Earth. In 1922, it held the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded at 58 degrees Celsius. However, this record was later disqualified by the World Meteorological Organization due to inconsistencies in the measurement process. Despite this, Al-Azizia remains an incredibly hot region, with summer temperatures often exceeding 49 degrees Celsius. Its proximity to the Sahara Desert contributes to its scorching climate, characterized by dry heat and intense sunlight. Today, it serves as a reminder of the extreme conditions that some parts of the world endure.
Desert Lut, located in southeastern Iran, is one of the hottest and driest deserts in the world. Known as the Lut Desert, it holds the record for the highest ground temperature ever recorded on Earth, 70.7 degrees Celsius, measured by NASA satellites in 2005. This searing heat is due to its dark rocky terrain, which absorbs and radiates immense solar energy. Desert Lut is almost devoid of vegetation and water, creating a stark, alien-like landscape of sand dunes, salt flats, and towering rock formations called yardangs. Despite its harsh conditions, the desert is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its unique geological features and raw, uninhabitable beauty. Death Valley, located in eastern California, USA, is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Part of the Mojave Desert, It is renowned for its scorching temperatures and arid landscape. The area set a world record in 1913 at Furnace Creek with a temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places ever recorded on Earth. Modern measurements frequently confirm summer highs exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. This vast desert basin, surrounded by mountains, has unique geological features, including sand dunes, salt flats, canyons, and rugged mountains. The lowest point in North America, Badwater Basin, lies here at 282 feet, 86 meters below sea level. Despite its harshness, Death Valley supports life, including desert plants, wildlife, and even wildflower blooms during rare rainfalls,